probably looking for some Halloween or fall decor that's kind of spooky, but not too spooky. So I'd like to tell you about this picture. I received it as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and show you how cool it looks on my wall. And I gotta tell you, that's Ribntak. I've got multiple pictures of theirs that I always put on this wall for almost every holiday. In fact, I just took this one down for summer and 4th of July, and I've got other holidays too. I just love the company and their prints. They've got so many prints to choose from. So this one is a 16 this way by 24 this way, but there are other choices out there if you prefer for, you know, the 24 to be the long way. Or also small, you know, if you need smaller than 16 by 24, you've got those choices as well with all of the prints. But I really love this one because it's kind of the dark Halloween. It's got the pumpkins with kind of black spooky things. It's very lightweight. And so this is what it looks like on the back. And it is like a canvas. I just hang it like just here on a nail, but it does come with some mounting hardware. But I want to show you how cool this is. Look at the detail of this, how cool that is. Just some really interesting depth and color to it. Like, it looks like it's sitting on a table. It looks kind of dusty, but like I said, kind of spooky, but not too spooky. So yeah. Okay, so I've decided maybe I do need the mounting hardware. It looks like this. It comes in this little box, and it comes with the kind of claw thing with a couple of nails. It also comes with this and with the nails, so probably end up doing that today. But yeah, the point being, they've got such really cool prints. You can get as spooky or not as you want to with these, and of course the different sizes. So I love this. I've got one for, I think, almost every holiday now. And I just think they're amazing. The depth, the colors, very cool. Hey, if you liked this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe. And if you would love to help support my channel, please feel free to do the thanks or the super thanks. This person down here has done a couple of super thanks for me. William, I'm so appreciative. Thank you.